Want to customize your command prompt in Windows 11? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change the colors to make your command prompt look just the way you like it. Open the search menu and type command prompt. Right-click on it, then select Run it as administrator. Here, we are going to change the color text and also the background color of CMD. Assume two variable X and Y, which are associated with specific colors. Color XYX represents the color of the terminal's background, whereas Y represents the color of the font on the command prompt terminal. Following the hex values of the colors supported by command prompt, 0 specifies the black color attribute, and since it's typed at the place of X, that is, it will be applied to background. Specifies the light green color attribute, and since it's typed at the place of EI, light green attribute will be applied to the font color, color 0. To get all the related information on using color command. In command prompt, you can use the following command color. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.